Comfort plays an important role in effective breast pumping. Sit upright, relax your shoulders, and keep your arms supported. Using pillows can help reduce strain. If milk flow slows, pause briefly and gently massage your breast in circular motions. You can also lean slightly forward to help milk flow naturally. Maintain a steady pumping rhythm rather than pumping too quickly. Take short breaks if needed.